In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change stroke color in Inkscape. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pick and apply the precise outline color you want, whether you're matching a brand palette or fine-tuning an illustration. Start by launching Inkscape on your desktop. When the app opens, you'll see your canvas and toolbars. If you've just opened Inkscape fresh, that's fine. You can still follow along. We'll be focusing specifically on the stroke, which is simply the outline of a shape or path, as opposed to the fill, which is the interior color. Next, open the document that contains the object whose stroke you want to change. Go to File, then Open, and choose your SVG or compatible file. Once your artwork is on the canvas, make sure the object you want to edit is actually selected. Click it with the Select tool so you see its bounding box. If you're working with multiple objects, you can select them one at a time and repeat this process as needed. With your object selected, head to the top menu and open the Fill and Stroke sidebar from the Object menu. This panel is where all your color and outline controls live. If the panel appears docked on the right side, that's perfect. Just keep it open while you work. Inside the Fill and Stroke panel, make sure you're working under the Stroke Paint section, not the Fill section. To set a solid outline color, choose the Flat Color option. This tells Inkscape you want a single, uniform stroke color rather than a gradient or pattern. If your stroke looks invisible, it could be because it was previously set to No Paint, so picking Flat Color will re-enable it. Now it's time to dial in the exact color. You can use the sliders for RGB, HSL, or CMYK, depending on how you prefer to work or what your project requires. As you adjust, you'll see the color update live on your selected object. If you already know the exact shade you need, type or paste the hex code into the color field for a precise match. One helpful tip here. Check the alpha or opacity slider. If it's set too low, your stroke will appear faint or transparent, so bring it up to 100% if you want a fully opaque line. That's it. You've launched Inkscape, opened your document, selected your object, chosen flat color for the stroke, and set the exact shade using sliders or a hex code. Repeat the same approach for any other objects to keep your design consistent and professional.